What's going on, everybody? We are out here in beautiful Arizona. Mesa, Arizona. Got my beautiful girlfriend filming me right now. Got our dog. And we are out here at Sloan Park, I believe is what it's called. It looks like this is where the Cubs come for spring training. At least it says Cubs everywhere. And I've got my DJI Mavic Mini. And this is kind of like my first drone video, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I've seen this park a couple times after driving off the interstate, and it looked kind of cool to explore with a drone. So hopefully I get some good footage. There's a fly on your arm. All right, there we go. So let's get this bad boy up in the air, and hopefully I get some cool footage for you guys. And I haven't even flown it yet. I had to change all the props because the dog actually ran into it while I was flying it one time and busted a propeller. And then I went ahead and just changed all of them to be safe. So I hope I did it correctly and it flies good, because that would really suck if that wasn't the case. And you're gonna see her go crazy once it turns on. She hates this thing for some reason. Hey, chill. Chico, come here. Alright, easy, bro. So yeah, I can't even put it on the ground anymore, I learned, because she just like immediately goes after it and makes it crash. GPS signal weak. GPS signal weak. Alright, sorry about that. I was having issues. Because this is actually the first time I've been using my iPhone to fly the drone, and my Samsung Note 9 is what's recording right now. But I think we're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and do a hand launch because, again, the dog is insane. Let's go. Stop it. My God. Come here. Switch it over. Let me start recording. The drone's gonna be recording in I think it's like 3K, 30 frames per second, which is really nice. And I mean, it really does. It's got an amazing camera on it. Alright, so it says I'm in an altitude zone. Probably because this is like I don't want you flying over the park, but we'll see what's up. I'm gonna have it on the drone footage, so you don't have to like point it at the drone. I just want to have my voice in the background. Seems to be doing good with the new props. Go ahead and bring the gimbal down a little. Look at that. Not really high right now, only about 50 meters. I forgot to switch it over to Imperial, so going based on meters. It's about 5 o'clock right now, so the sun is very bright, I feel like. It's making everything really contrasty. But that's pretty cool. Quarantined baseball park. Usually I'm not sure if they'd be playing right now if it wasn't for the COVID. But yeah, I'm guessing this is where the Cubs come for spring training. As you may know, Arizona is home to the Diamondbacks, which Chase Field is really cool too. I've been to Chase Field a couple times to see the Diamondbacks play. It is an enclosed field though, I believe, if I remember right, so wouldn't be able to do anything like this. So I'm trying not to go too high because it does, like I said, it's giving me that altitude zone. I'm pretty new to this drone. But I mean, it's cruising. It's doing great. It's funny because all this quarantining that we've been having to do as the whole world, it's been getting me into drones. We were at Walmart like a month ago and I just randomly saw that Walmart sell decently cheap drones. So I decided to get one once that stimulus check hit. Thank you, Donald Trump, for some drone money. But I ended up getting what was called the VTI Phoenix, and it's a pretty cool drone. It flies really good. The camera on it is awful. But I like the way I did it though, because it was a good beginner drone. Because like literally right when I started flying that thing, I crashed it into a wall. So definitely glad it wasn't the Mini. And I feel like that drone makes me realize how, good the Mini really is. It is a phenomenal drone for the price. Haven't gotten any wind warnings or anything, and footage is coming in clear. So that's a park over there, like an actual park, and I guess my girlfriend was telling me that you can, see if we can see it. She was telling me there's like a net you can climb on, which I would have been all down for, but not really with this virus. As you can see though, they must be taking some restrictions off because there's a ton of people over at the park, and it looks like there's actually, it looked like there was some plane on it. A little too sketchy for my taste, but we'll see how that goes. Looks like they're getting ready to build even more. So cool. It's cool being able to see views like this with these drones. Alright, I don't want it to be a super long video for my first video, guys. So I'll just slowly, and I'm just going real slow. It's in position mode and barely even giving it throttle. Trying to get some nice smooth footage. But yeah, so this is Sloan Baseball Park out in Mesa, Arizona. Mesa. Mesa actually looks kind of pretty in this footage. Oh, I wonder what that is. Some sort of plant over here behind us. That looks crazy. But yeah, that's the interstate I'm always on when I see this park. Pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna start bringing her on down. Let's see, where are we? go. And my dog is gonna go crazy for it, so just be ready for that. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and do a hand landing just because I don't want to have her break any more propellers. I already used pretty much all the spare ones that the drone came with. Go, come down. Alright, so there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I do plan on doing more because we don't really have anything to do, and this drone takes amazing videos, so you can check me out later. I'll see you guys later.